This Road Dirt presentation is brought to you by Law Tigers, motorcycle lawyers. Find them at lawtigers.com. On this episode of Road Dirt, we ride the 2024 Yamaha MT-09 through the redwoods and along the Pacific Coast Highway of Northern California. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Rob with Road Dirt, and we are in sunny but chilly Cupertino, California, just outside of San Jose, for the 2024 Yamaha MT-09 press launch. They've made a lot of upgrades to the venerable naked sport bike in their lineup, in the MT lineup, and we're here to take a test ride on it. So, looking forward to it. That's mine right there. I'll be riding that the rest of the day. I think we're going to do like a 120-mile loop. It's going to include going through the redwoods, running along California 1, the Pacific Coast Highway, and up through the hills country and things like that. And we've actually really enjoyed the Yamaha triple that they put in this particular bike. We've sampled it in the XSR 900 a couple of years ago, rode it at Road Atlanta, which was a heck of a lot of fun. And then also we've had the Tracer 9 GT Plus for a long-termer. That was our motorcycle of the year last year, running that 900 triple as well. So looking forward to getting on this iteration of that. I've actually, seems like at a demo day, I rode one just a few miles back a year or two ago, but for 2024, they've made a lot of significant upgrades, which we'll share with you shortly. So we're suiting up to ride.
Well, all right. Looks like we're off. There's Jared. All of us are wearing Alpinestars. They're helping sponsor this, and we're reviewing some of their gear too, so I'm excited. "47 degrees when we pulled out this morning. It's warmer back in Georgia than it is here in north central California area.
We did a fair amount of city riding in the morning to get a feel for how the bike handles in urban traffic, and it really doesn't feel like a 900. It's very light, very flickable. With the quick shifter, it's easy just to shift up and down through the gears, and the brakes are not harsh and grabby. Very good commuter bike.
Jared, my man. We've actually been doing a bit of city riding and kind of getting a feel in and out of traffic. Commuter, everyday kind of use. And man, I tell you, it's light, quick, flickable. I mean, it doesn't feel like a big 900. All right, getting ready to head for the hills now. Get out of the city, get up into the country, up into the foothills. This right here is Josh Hayes riding with us. How cool is that? How you doing, Josh? Good to see you, my friend. Super nice display. Everything's easily accessible right over here. And then you can scroll through and get into anything you need to. I like it. Kind of like the Tracer. Just a clear screen, easily navigatable here. One thing I think I don't like is the turn signals are right here. You press it once, press it again, but this one here is a little bit of a reach to get to the right. Not fond of that. But on and off there for left and right turn signals.
This bike is so customizable. You can really, just about on every level, make this bike your own. Different ride modes, each one of them selectable and customizable. I mean, traction control is setting on it, lift control, slide control, lean angle control, all these different things that are adjustable within the display. You can absolutely customize this motorcycle to your specific style of riding and different settings. It's pretty amazing. All right, let's get back to the ride footage. A few miles up through the beginning of the redwoods, and we're actually getting ready to get on a gorgeous stretch that's going to run just these sweepers through the big old giant trees for several more miles. It's going to be really beautiful. It's already been beautiful. It's chilly. The camera's a little bit unsteady because I'm cold, but this Alpinestars jacket is really well insulated. The thing is kept in some body heat. My hands have been cold, but my core has not been. So ready to go a little bit further now. So I'm enjoying the MT-09 up here in the hills, man. What a great runner. All right, this is where the bike's handling and quick shifter really shine up in the twisters. Clutch lever engagement, just clicking up and down through the gears at will, tapping the brakes slightly in corners. Man, so smooth. Among the redwoods. Check this out. Huge. Man, what an amazing ride through the redwoods. I mean, it just strikes awe, you know. I'm riding through and I think of that verse in the Bible. It says, the earth is the Lord's and all of its fullness. And you kind of just are just amazed as you ride through with everything you see, the size, the survivability of nature. And these are great little bikes to take through something like this. You really can't go fast. It was a lot of, wetness from, I guess, a rainstorm that passed overnight, and there were debris in the road in places, and to get here to the top, to the visitor center. But man, this has been a remarkable bike and a remarkable ride. So more to come.
Looks like fire ripped through part of this area. So many trees down, trunks scorched. Wow. Quite an experience. what's amazing to me about these redwoods is they burn up in fire years ago, but nature just finds a way. They just sprout back out. Wow.
Rolling back through the redwoods one more time on our way back to Cupertino. This has been a fantastic day to ride. So what a day it has been on the Yamaha MT-09. I mean, we left Cupertino, headed up over the mountains. You know, it was like the tail of the dragon on steroids for hours and miles, it seemed like. And then down into the, onto California 1, the Pacific Coast Highway. It was chilly, windy, but just what a gorgeous ride along the coast. Perfect bike for, you know, up in the mountains. Light, quick, flickable. I mean, it didn't feel like a 900. It felt a lot smaller and lighter and quicker than that. And then down, just blasting down the PCH with it. just, man, what a remarkable motorcycle it is. It's really cool that we've now gotten to sample all three of Yamaha's 900. We sampled the XSR 900 back a couple of years ago, and we've had the Tracer 9 GT Plus, which is an outstanding sport tourer, and then in a naked sport bike. What a gas. What a fantastic bike. I want to thank the Yamaha Motors USA team for putting on a great event and building a phenomenal motorcycle. And Alpinestars, the best gear for the street or the track. I'm not much of a track rider, but man, for the street, this jacket, these gloves, these shoes, the Tech Air 3 vest, just outstanding gear with Alpinestars. I want to thank the people with Alpinestars USA for the use of their gear, getting to sample that. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, follow us on right here. Hit the the subscribe button. Ring that bell so you get notifications about future videos we'll put out. Follow us on our main media page, our e-magazine we call it, roaddirt.tv. All of our contributors and photographers all collaborate on that right there. We're on 3 social media channels: Facebook, what used to be called Twitter, it's called X now, and Instagram's new Threads app as well. You can find us out there, Road Dirt TV. And we've also got a Spotify music playlist for when you're out rocking the highways, you can be rocking some tunes in your head. So that is on Spotify. Just look for Road Dirt Classics. You'll find that there. And we got a podcast. From time to time, we have conversations about the motorcycling life. You can find us on Anchor. It's on Spotify. It's on Apple. Just look for Road Dirt. So you can find all that out there. Great time. If you want to know more about the Yamaha MT-09, you can check them out on the web at yamahamotors.com, and they've got all the specs and details on it. But for a bike that how it makes you feel and how you feel while you're riding it, man, it's hard to top this. Fantastic motorcycle. Hey, until next time, this is Rob with Road Dirt. Ride life.